Outdoors, guys. Today I haven't posted the video actually yet of the first maiden run of the SCX24, but you'll see that prior to me uploading this video. I'm going to do a timed run and see how long the battery lasts, a little 350 milliamp 2-cell lipo. We're going to see how long it lasts on full rip. We're going to burn this thing out, see how long it goes. Stay tuned. Here we are. We're going to set the stopwatch here and go. Woo! That's full rip right there.
That is respect.
You can hear those little tires gripping too.
Oh yeah.
Going strong at 1 hour and 23 minutes. Hasn't even started to slow down yet. There you have it, 1 hour and 30 minutes and 18 seconds on a full charge on the 350 milliamp battery. So, I am nothing short of impressed with this little machine. It, I want to say it crawls just as good, if not better, than the 110 scale. Everything is an obstacle. It has a hard time with grass and twigs and stuff, but on the rocks, man, this thing's sweet. It is deadly, this little bugger. I'm glad we got 2 of them. Bailey and I had a blast. Like I said, 1.5 hour runtime on the stock battery. I got a 1000 at home that I'm going to try to squeeze in here. And shit, probably go all day on that. Anyway, stay tuned for more Jables Outdoors. Love the Axial SCX24. Great job, Axial. I'm happy. Stay tuned.